Cows require a certain level of comfort in order to produce optimal quantity and quality of milk. As dairymen, it's important for us to meet the well-being needs of the cows to ensure that we have productive cows and therefore a profitable farm. When it comes to comfort, cows need sufficient space and freedom to lie down and rest for at least 10 hours a day. Overcrowding or uncomfortable conditions prevent cows from getting the rest they need and can result in decreased milk production. Bedding quality, overcrowding, heat stress, or other external factors can all affect cows' comfort. We need to carefully monitor cows' comfort within the herd and measure each group overall comfort level. AfiAct, our leading leg tag, track cow rest time, giving you a clear picture of the well-being of group and of the herd. Any potential issues are flagged for immediate action. When AfiAct let you know that a group has not been getting sufficient rest, you have an opportunity to find out why and rectify the problem quickly. As dairymen, we understand the importance of accurately assessing cows' behavior in order to notice changes that indicate that the cow's comfort level has dropped. The sooner you know that cow comfort has dropped in a specific group, the sooner you can fix it.